All right, I want to show you something I did to this car, which was not fun. You're looking at it right there. It has the multi-function display. So originally it just had a little strip up there that had the temperature outside, the clock, and then something you could change, fuel range, average speed, elapsed time, whatever. So the nicer model ones, like the hybrid and ones for other markets, have this little screen at the top. And I know you can't really see it very well, and there's these buttons here on the steering wheel. Now this car didn't have any of that. So what I did was I ordered a steering wheel from a Forester, had to take this part out and the back plastic here, and then add the pins to the connector for the buttons here underneath the airbag. Take the steering column plastic off, pin out where they came out of here, run 2 wires from here behind the cluster up to there, and then I also got some parts from the Forester locally. That's where the display came from, and some pigtails to salvage the wiring pins from. So there's 2 data bus connectors behind the cluster I had to hook into the little slots for, which then run up to that. So you had 4 wires basically to the connector that was already in the car. 2 data bus, 2 for the steering wheel controls. And here you go. So this thing tells you, I don't even know what this is for. Something. There's your miles per gallon chart. There's the big swingy miles per gallon thingy. More miles per gallon stuff. Time. It's an analog clock. Yeah, I guess that's what that is. Anyway, so the most interesting part of it is this triple gauge thing, where you can pick different items you want displayed there. So I guess that's oil temperature, not coolant temperature, but oil temperature. It'll show, and then, you know, some other various things. I was hoping coolant temperature, because you can see here there's not one on the cluster. There's the most useless gauge on the planet for miles per gallon plus and minus. Ooh. Then the trip odometer's in the middle here. So you know what I was wondering, now that it has the screen, this button used to switch between the items. It doesn't do anything with this one. Maybe if it's in a different setting here? Nope, I think it just ignores that. Okay. Well, now I know that. That was a bitch. So we're going to take the car for a quick test drive and make sure that it actually does the things it's supposed to do. So this is weird. So it shows you if you actually turn the steering wheel, the wheels on the little car there actually move. That's amusingly funny. You can see here, while we're going down the road, it's showing what wheels are driving. You see the road going by. I'm guessing this is more for the automatic one, since they can vary where the power goes to, where this one being a stick, it's just 50-50 all the time. You can see here the graphs changing. Here's a copy of the useless miles per gallon meter, but on the display. So, yeah, that's it. Cool. It's done. Bye.